Okay, this is a fun one. If you have to sign a lot of documents or you work in HR or business development and you need to put signatures on documents regularly, this is going to show you how to do that in a super quick, easy, and efficient way. So let's go. We are obviously going to need an image to begin with, so we'll find one and right click to copy it. We'll then go to photopea.com and press Ctrl V to paste it. Click into the search bar while your image is selected, and we want to find something called threshold. You can also go image adjustments threshold or just click it from here. We're going to scale this down till we find the transparency that we like. About 107 should do for now. And then we want to select all the black. So click into channels, mouse over RGB and hold Control and left click once. That's going to select all of the white, but we want to select the inverse of that. So go back into layers, right click and hit inverse to select all the black. Now just press Control J to duplicate the layer and turn off the lower one. There is our transparent image. You'll see we still have some rubbish in the bottom left there. So we're going to click into the crop tool and then just drag in the windows till we get the size that we want and then hit the tick. That's it. Our image is done. We're going to go File, Export PNG, and make sure it's a PNG and not a JPEG. Otherwise it won't be transparent, and you are done. Here we have my take on a very professional contract. On the left is the signature if we hadn't done any edits to it and had just pasted it in. In the middle, we have it if we exported our file as a JPEG, and on the right, we have our image correctly exported as a PNG. Note that the JPEG is clipping over the sign here line, and we do not want that at all.